Hi there and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Jairo from Contabo, and in today's video we'll take a closer look at which web hosting control panel works best for a Windows server. We help you decide what's right for your hosting setup. Let's jump in. Think of a hosting control panel for Windows as the dashboard of your server. It gives you a clean interface to manage websites, domains, databases, and email, all without the needing to touch the command line. Picking the right one saves time, reduces errors, and improves your security. If you are running a Windows VPS or dedicated server, the clear go-to option is Plesk for Windows. It's one of the few control panels that fully supports Windows environments. And here's why it's so popular. You can manage websites, domains, email, and databases all in one place. It supports both PHP and ASP.NET side by side. Installing tools like WordPress or Joomla is just a click away. You can manage free SSL certificates and DNS settings easily, and it works on both Linux and Windows. But today we're focused on Windows. When you order a VPS from Contabo, you can select Plesk as Windows hosting control panel during configuration. We'll install it for you and you're ready to go. There are a few other panels worth mentioning, but not all are as good as a fit as Plesk for Windows. Webmin is a powerful open source panel, mostly used by experienced users. It technically works on Windows, but it's really built for Linux, and it takes some time tweaking to get running it smoothly. SolidCP is open source and was made specifically for Windows hosting. It's more suitable if you're running a reseller setup or need advanced control across user accounts. And there are cPanel, DirectAdmin, or ISP config. These are fantastic on Linux, but if you're running Windows and so specifically looking for a Windows hosting control panel, they are not really recommended. They are either not compatible or need a workaround that's not reliable for production use. So, to keep it simple, if you're on Windows, Plesk is the safest and most feature-rich option. Before you take a final decision, ask yourself a few questions. Are you using Windows or Linux? Do you plan to host multiple websites or just one? Is your focus on simplicity or full customization? Do you need strong security tools built in? And of course, what's your budget? Plesk gives you a clean balance between user-friendliness and powerful features, especially great if you want something that just works out of the box. So, to wrap it all up, if you're hosting on Windows, Plesk is the best choice. Easy to use, secure, and full of features. SolidCP is a free alternative, good for more advanced users, and Linux panels like cPanel or ISP config, stick to those only if you're running Linux. If this helped you out, give us a like, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.